Hey guys, it's Alpha Gamer, and today I am joined by
Blue! Woo!
and we are playing Kitchen Delight.
Yeah, this will be fun. Woo!
So, let's explain the rules. So, we're going to push this button. It's going to drop either one or two things. We have to race to do it. Whoever gets it first wins that challenge. There'll be 5 challenges, and whoever does that has to have a dare from the other person, and they have to do it on camera.
No! Oh, this will be bad.
But it cannot be a personal dare.
Blue.
So this is my side, and that's Blue's side.
Blue!
He's definitely decorating it. But we have our cookbook right here. So let's grab up both of our cookbooks.
Okay, I read it all.
Now, let's push this button. Are you ready?
What's this? Wait, but what's this area?
Oh, yeah. So this is our area where we can get our stuff. So, like, we can get our sugar for our videos. Not our videos, but this video.
That's cool. Do you want to press the button?
Yes, you can press it next time. Let's see. Oh, we had to do 2. We had to do the pulled pork sandwich and the spicy sushi.
Spicy sushi?
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Where,
just put them in this chest right here.
oh, okay. But wait, we won't be able to see it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
On
let's take
your marks,
positions.
grab your book. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Oh, I put it back. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Oh, there it is.
Pulled pork sandwich done. Now I need to make the, what is it? Spicy sushi.
What page is the pulled pork on, by the way?
I actually don't remember.
Wow. I'm just joking.
I'm not supposed to be looking for that. You are. Jeez.
Spicy sushi done.
You already have a spicy sushi done? I had the pulled pork one. So we're kind of on schedule with each other. Wait, it's fish, right? Yeah, I think. Oh no, I grabbed one less.
Uh-oh. No, I made a chicken sandwich. Where's...
I made it. Okay.
You made it?
Stop! Don't be violent. Jeez. Just because you're sad that I won.
Oh, okay. I guess 1 point goes for you, too.
For the first round. Now?
Here, you will get, a piece of, dirt.
Oh,
Congrats.
no thank you.
Oh.
I like to have a clean surface.
It's organic.
Okay. Now you ready to push your button?
Yep, here we go. 2, and the fruit smoothie, apple juice.
Okay. Fruit smoothie, apple juice. Put them right there. And are you ready?
Yep.
On your mark, get set, go!
Wait. Oh. Okay.
I have no idea where they are.
Me too. Oh, found one.
Oops.
one of those. Okay, go.
Apple juice made. I'm honestly really scared with this.
Oh, I haven't even made one yet.
Oh! So I'm on schedule.
You really are.
Oh, then I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
I'm pretty sure it's fine.
I hope you win.
I hope you win too.
Thank you.
But no matter what wins, we're gonna be besties. So
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter who wins. Because we both end up winning in the long run.
Wait, what was the next one? Was it like the melon juice?
It was the fruit juice. It was the fruit smoothie, but I got the fruit smoothie already.
What's this one? Apple juice. Okay. I mean, you would think it's like an apple and like.
It's apple.
Wait,
Yeah.
Wait, did you already do it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry.
Have a water bottle.
Thank you. I need to stay hydrated, you know.
Would you like to click the second one? I guess another point goes to you. I'm gonna lose.
Hopefully you win this one. Okay. We have the meat pizza and the beef burrito.
Meat pizza. Okay, so meat pizza and beef burrito.
Oh, my thing just glitched.
That's weird. Can I use that? I think I needed this.
Okay, what was the last option? Okay, it was that. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Okay. I gotta go fast with this. I'm scared you're gonna win.
Oh, I haven't even made one yet.
Oh! I'm on time again! I just keep getting scared. Wait, what was it? I think it was a beef burrito.
Oh, I'm trying to find the beef burrito.
Me too. Found it. Okay.
I found it too. One. Okay. I think it's like one of those. I'm like.
Done.
Another point goes to you.
I need to stop getting points. I'm starting to feel bad.
You should feel bad.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're gonna win this one. You're gonna win this one.
Oh, I'm planning on winning all the ones.
That won't really work because you've already lost 3, but...
Okay, I'm pressing the button. 2, it is a vanilla milkshake and an explosive burger. On your marks, get set, go.
Oh my gosh, my thing's glitching so bad right now. You'll see it on the video.
Vanilla milkshake done.
Hey, you're getting good at this.
I'm gonna win this round. I know it. Explosive burger done.
Hey, look at you. You did it.
You can have the thingies if you want.
Thank you. I'll put them
1 point goes to me.
It was your first one.
Yeah.
Are you ready? For
Yep. You can go
next
ahead and clear that. Okay.
round. Let's go.
What did we get?
Chicken nuggets and vanilla ice cream.
Chicken nuggets and vanilla ice cream.
On your mark, get set, go.
I know how to make all of them by heart. I saw how to make it. Vanilla milkshake done.
Nice.
Chicken nuggets done.
Good job. I accidentally grabbed all the poles.
Wait, what? Round 2 goes to me.
Hey,
Round 4.
that's round 5.
Wait. Oh yeah, round 5. I can't count.
Wait, why there's just a chicken on your plate? Did you actually not make the chicken nuggets?
I did.
I was like, why did you have chicken on your plate?
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Here we go. It is veggie taco and ham omelet. On your marks, get set, go. I need an egg.
Where are the eggs at?
Up here. Ugh. Ham omelet done.
Oh, what was the, is it, it's, what is it called? Wheat, right? Or no?
Nothing.
Wow.
Wait, no. Oh, it was the veggie taco. Uh-oh. Oh, hey, I just need one more. Where are the mushrooms? Right here. Veggie taco done.
Good job! Okay, now it's time for our tiebreaker.
Well, wait, aren't we doing best out of 5?
We've already done 6.
Well, I'm saying like first one that get the 5. Well, first one that get to 5 wins.
Sure, I guess we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay, it's probably gonna be the same, different ones. Okay, we have the veggie taco, and what did you get?
Grilled cheese.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Grilled cheese done.
Nice. I did the veggie omelet.
Veggie taco. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, what's first? No, I made a vegetable sushi. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Where's it? Okay, where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Do I need an egg? No.
Where's the mushrooms at?
Mushrooms are right there. I also need mushrooms. But where's the breadcrumbs? Right here.
But done.
You're done?
Yeah. Grilled cheese.
Oh,
Vegetable
just
tacos.
made it. Wow, okay.
Okay, are you ready?
For the final round.
The final round.
Are you ready?
Not quite yet. Okay, now I'm ready.
I got spicy sushi,
Spicy sushi.
ham omelet.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go. Go. I don't know if it's final round. I mean, if I win, you do a tiebreaker. But if you win, you lose. Wait, why am I staying still? Okay, I mean, not, you know what I mean. Spicy sushi, you need like this. I need that. Okay, I think I have spicy sushi done. Spicy sushi done.
Nice. You're getting really good at this.
Thank you.
But sadly,
Wait.
not good enough.
Wait, what? No!
Good job. You did so good though.
Thank you.
Let's get a round of applause for Blue.
Blue, you're the best. Oh my goodness, wow. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Wait, stand right there. Stand right there. And just stand still.
No. Never.
Okay, if you guys had an amazing time watching this video,
Wait,
maybe...
don't we have to do the dare?
Oh wait, yeah.
No.
Okay.
Get away from me. Get away.
What's the dare?
I'm hiding.
You have to go into a hardcore world, one of your hardcore worlds, and die.
Joke's on you. I've died in all mine.
Oh, then make a new one and die.
So just make one and... Honestly, that's not a bad one. Man, you should have seen the ones I was, Never mind.
What? What is that supposed to mean?
Let's just say, like, wear, a skin for, like, 1 month.
Okay, actually, I have a better idea.
Wait,
You have
what?
to go on the hive and say, I'm a blueberry, in front of everyone.
Okay, fine.
That is the best one, so let's get on the hive.
Oh, no.
You're gonna regret this. Wait. What were you gonna make me do?
Wear, a boy skin for the whole month.
Okay, that's fine. I have boy skins. Not gonna lie, I do. I created
not
them.
Like any boy skin, not like any boy skin, but an emo minion.
An emo minion? So, like, a guy who's emo?
No, a minion that's emo.
A minion? I have no idea what you're talking about with a minion, but okay.
You know what? Actually, no. I'm sorry.
Like the little things Gru does, like the minions Tonight We Spit on the Moon? Like that type of minion?
I would
Big
make
minion?
you wear Skibidi Toilet.
Oh, that's not fair. You know I don't know that pun. Or whatever it is.
I don't know it too, but all I know it's a toilet.
That has a head.
Yeah. Okay, should I say it?
Mhm.
Guys, I have a confession. Guys, I have a confession. No. I am Steve. I am a blue blur. I'm a
Blueberry.
bear. Blueberry. I am a blueberry. No. I'm going to the house of shame. I'm ashamed.
If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like and maybe subscribe and follow for more. We try to post 2 videos each week in one short. Bye, y'all. Love you.
Yeah.